Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from RajCloud Technologies. First of all, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake Masterclass. So in this today's session, like we are going to learn about Snowflake DBT and ADF program and how we have structured this program. Okay, and so who can learn this program and everything like that we are going to see in the next few minutes. Okay, before that, I would like just like take 2 to 3 minutes of your time, and I'll just like give the introduction about our RajCloud technologies and our social media handles as well. Then like we'll step into the complete technical content. Okay. So I hope like everyone can see my screen and hear me properly as well, as I can see the confirmations here. Can I get few more in the chat, please? Can I expect few more in the chat? Am I loud and clear, especially the people who joined via mobiles? You can see my screens, right? Yeah, thank you, Arvind. Thank you, Santosh and Leela. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So let me start like with our official like YouTube channel. Okay, so we have a YouTube channel called RajCloud Technologies Online Job-Based Training. If you can see here, like we have 36,200 plus subscribers here, and we have uploaded like many videos related to like many technologies like AWS data engineering, SAP, generative AI, AWS data engineering, Informatica data quality, Power BI, Snowflake, Informatica Power Center, and many more. And many more. So just visit our YouTube channel once. If you want to learn any technology, just visit our channel once. Surely like you could find out some related video on that. Okay, so if you really like our content, just like the video, comment on it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. There are many videos related to interview questions and the resume preparations, okay, and the doubts clearance. So many videos are available. Just try to browse the channel once, then you'll understand the content and everything about it. Got it? Yes. And we have the Instagram page as well. If you can see here, like we have 3,000 plus followers. Okay, and the page name is RajCloudTech. So in this page, like we are going to post every update about RajCloud technologies, and we will be posting about the job openings as well. So you can see here there is a new highlights called job openings. Okay, so in these job openings, like you can find out each and every like whenever we post anything, we will be adding that to these highlights. Okay, so without missing any info, you can just like follow these highlights and you can get the complete information on it. Okay, so I'm just sharing this link with you. I'm just sharing the Instagram link also with you. So use this link and you can just like follow our channel to get all the updates and especially about the job openings and all. Okay, yes. So now this is our website. Okay, so we have a website called razinformatica.com, and this is our website. So in this website, you can see this is the home screen actually. Okay, this is the home screen. If you just scroll down, you can see software trainings that we are offering here. Okay, so we are offering generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in a combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cyber security with ethical hacking, Power BI, AWS and DevOps, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, GCP, Python full stack and Python for data science, Python for AI and chat GPT, and Salesforce. These are few of our courses that we are offering right now. Okay, if you just scroll up, there is some new upcoming free live session section is there. This special section is for all our upcoming live sessions. Whenever we have any live session, we will be posting that link here in this particular section. You can see here, you can see the today's session as well, Snowflake DBT and ADF. Okay, and the sessions are scheduled like 28th November at 8 p.m. That is today at 8 p.m. the session was started. Okay, so in the same way, you'll get all other classes as well. If there is any sessions are available for free of cost, for free sessions, if there is any schedule is given, so you can see that link here in this section as well. Okay, apart from these things, we have many other useful things are also there in our website, like interview questions, materials, internship programs. Okay, and all these things are available. If you just go to the interview questions, you can see the many of Snowflake interview questions as well. Okay, with free of cost, you can just check out all these things actually. Okay, so without paying anything also, you can get Power Center interview questions, Snowflake interview questions, AWS, Oracle, ISS, IDMC, CAI, everything you can just check out here. Okay, even the materials as well. Okay, you can see the Power Center material, ISCS, types of ISCS, okay, Unix, Oracle, data warehousing, all these materials are also you can accessible for free of cost actually. Even if you join RajCloud Technologies, if you don't join RajCloud Technologies also, you can avail all these opportunities as well. And there is a like jobs as well. Okay, so we are offering a jobs as well from RajCloud Technologies. We have a separate job listings page too. I'll explain you at the end of the session. Okay, at the end of the session. And today there is some special discounts are also available. The people who ever joined today's master class, all you people, you will be getting some special discount from RajCloud Technologies, and I'll be heading up with all these details at the end of the session. Okay. Now let me take you to the complete information about the Snowflake DBT and ADF program. If you just go to the courses section, if you can just select Snowflake trainings here, just click on that. Just click on that. Okay, so you will be taken to the page where you can see the complete information about the Snowflake here. Okay, if you can see here, there is a new batch starting on 28th of November 2025. That is from today. From today, we are going to start a new batch, and this batch is 17th batch of us. 17th batch of in the combination of Snowflake DBT and ADF. Okay, this is our course page where you can see the complete information. The technologies we cover here is Snowflake, DBT, ADF, AWS, Oracle, complete real-time projects, interview questions and resume, everything we cover here. And this course duration is 2 months, weekly 5 days, Saturday and Sunday is holiday, and we'll be covering 70 plus hours of content here. 70 plus hours of content will be given to you. No need to worry about that. Okay, and we have like more than 600 plus reviews on particularly Snowflake. Okay, where you can see all these reviews are 5-star reviews. Okay, we have tried many officials, okay, and many professionals, many people who have the career gap, many people who just started their IT career, and many freshers as well. We have guided on this particularly Snowflake about. I'm speaking completely about the Snowflake technology itself. On all these kind of category people, right now you can apply for this Snowflake. Got it? Yes. Now if you can see the job opportunities, these are the job roles. These are the like a current market packages for them. For 2 years, like how much you can get it, the average. 3 years, how much. 4 years, how much. Each and every role also you can check out here. This will work you for sure. Apart from these things, like we have what are the like job roles that you can apply for, what are the upcoming in demanded job roles in the market right now, all these things you can find out the things actually, no need to worry about that. Okay, yes, about the course curriculum as well, you can see the complete course curriculum here. Just click on show more, you will be directed to the complete course curriculum here. Apart from these things, so you can see we are going with like what and all like you will be getting at the end of the program, about the course price and the group discounts, and about your trainer's profile as well. So your trainer is having 11 plus years of experience in IT industry and 6.5 plus years of experience into Snowflake as well. Okay, we have both morning and evening batches. Morning batch timings are like 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch timings are 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Generally, this evening session timings are evening 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. So as you everyone will be available at after 8 p.m., we have scheduled this session after 8 p.m. itself. But generally, the regular classes for the evening batch people are like 4:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Got it? Yes. Sorry, 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, and coming to the fee structure and all, you can see the course price is 14,999 rupees here. Okay, but there is some special offer available for today. So just to stay connected till end of the session, you are going to know about the special offer as well, and how the jobs are offered here from RajCloud Technologies, what help you can expect from us to get the job, and how the market is right now. Every detail we are going to discuss at the end of the session. Just to stay connected, just stay connected. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm just like hand over the session to our trainer Sai Sri Garu. Before that, I would just like want to take a moment and explain you about these things as well. We have a complimentary course too. Okay, I'll just give you at the end of the session this one. If you can see here, like I just like shared few topics of Oracle SQL. So this course is also given to you for free of cost. Okay, I'll just give the information about this at the end of the session. So right now I have just shared you your name and WhatsApp number. You just drop your name and WhatsApp number in the Zoom chat, so that like we will be adding you to the Snowflake DBT and ADF Snowflake practice group as well, where our previous batch students are also available. The current working professionals are also available. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can discuss in that particular group. Any job opportunity that will be posted there, you can apply for it and you can go ahead. Actually, this is how like we have planned for these things. So let us take a sharp 1 minute break. Let us take a sharp 1 minute break. Okay, and after this 1 minute break, we'll start the technical part. If you are from a different country, please drop your name and WhatsApp number with country code. Before your mobile number, just drop with the country code as well if you are from a different country. Okay, I have just started the timer now. So 1 minute will be your time. Please drop your name and WhatsApp number in the chat, please. Yeah, the timer got completed, but still you have the access to unmute yourself and you can stop the timer anytime and you can ask your question as well. And you can keep posting your name and WhatsApp number here in the Zoom chat as well. Okay. Now I'm handovering the session to our trainer, Sai Sri Garu.
Hi everyone.
Sai Sri, over to you, please. Yeah, thank you.
Hi everyone. Good evening. Thanks for joining the session. Let me share my screen. Hope my voice is audible to everyone, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, please adjust. Today. Voice is not good, but still I'll try to speak loudly. Okay. So let me introduce myself first. So my name is Sai Sri. I'm the Snowflake trainer in RajCloud Technology. From long term, I'm working with RajCloud Technology for Snowflake training purpose. So here I'm going to completely I'm going to take care about your technical stuff. Maybe it's a Snowflake, DBT, ADF, and also interview related doubts, subject related doubts, and your career gap related issues. Anything technically and interview wise, both any combination of questions. Also, I'm going to take care. Okay, so I will help you based on your profile, based on your profile issues or any gaps. Based on that, I will give person to person different requirement or issues will be there. According to that, I will help you how to handle that situations also. So technically, I'm only the one person who is going to handle technical doubts and technical classes also. End to end, I'm going to take care. That is the reason here I don't have any pressure like I have to complete in limit of time or in the specific deadline. Nothing like that. My agenda is daily one topic I will teach you with clear details. The mainly I will try to make you sure you are understanding the concept or not. That's my agenda. So every day without asking, without clearing your doubts mainly, I won't wind up my session. Okay. Not only initial classes, you can check randomly any recording. You can ask my team to share any recording. You will find the same question. Do you have doubts? Students are saying yes, we are good. Means only I'll end up the session. Okay. Here actually I'm taking 8 to 9:30 morning 1 and hour, 1.5 hour, evening 1.5 hour. I'll agree, but time is not matters for me. 5 minutes, 10 minutes extra also I'm okay with that. First, finally, I have to clear your doubt. Then only I'll wind up the session. Okay. So that assurance I can give. Apart from that, coming to my profile, what I am exactly, what is my profile background means. As previously, I am working from level in IT. Actually, I started my career with a big data, not with Snowflake, because Snowflake came after big data only. So I worked a few years in big data. Later on, I came to know about this cloud technology. I'm looking for pure cloud technology. Then I found this Snowflake, which is interested, it created a lot of interest to me. So I chose the Snowflake. Along with Snowflake, I involved with AWS, Azure also. But don't think I'm not AWS developer, I'm not Azure developer. Combinations I'm saying, okay? So along with Snowflake, Azure combination projects, AWS with Snowflake combinations, Snowflake with DBT combinations. This all I'm working already. I worked and still my projects also same combination. So according to that, my project, my skill set combination will be decided. Like this, I have good experience practically what the market is expecting, what companies are using, what kind of topics are very important for interview, what kind of topics are important for real-time jobs, and what situations we will face, or how the job profile will be there in real time. Actually, how Snowflake will work will be there. This all I have practical knowledge, and each and every topic, whatever I'm going to explain you, completely from my real-time experience only. I'm not following any document based like that. I'm not giving training. Completely what I experienced in my project technically, the same technical stuff I am going to explain you completely. So that is the reason I am getting the good feedback from
Hello.
students also. Hello, sorry, any question? Okay, fine. So that is the reason, guys. I'm able to handle the classes with a huge people, and I am getting the good reviews. Okay, okay. Out of that, what Sai Sri is going to do means Sai Sri going to already you know the combination. I'm going to teach you entire Snowflake and DBT also completely. But AWS, what is required for Snowflake with this AWS means Snowflake and AWS combination mainly we will use for loading purpose. Any issue? Okay. So I will explain you this also. In Azure, I will use only ADF. That is also for loading purpose. So this DBT, why DBT means for transformations. Okay. Then this is Snowflake is for storing data purpose means storing the data storage, and also execution will happen transformations. So this all completely finally this technology is completely data warehouse. Completely. Okay. So this I'm going to do. So I will explain you why we are using these technologies, what is the purpose, everything I'll explain you. Is it okay? Clear? So I know here so many people are having the profiles with the combination of IT, non-IT, career gaps, and no jobs till now after the graduation. Like this, different combination people are there. So I cannot say directly to the technical. Let me go with the scratch level. First question. Sai, so many technologies are there in market. Why I need to learn Snowflake? Why I need to choose the Snowflake? Yes, that's a really important question and good question also. Actually, why you need to learn Snowflake? Already you have cloud technology. So many cloud technologies are there. Then why Snowflake? It's not compulsory, right? You can go with other technologies also. Then why means, yes, there's a reason behind the Snowflake part. Snowflake is mainly, first point, before going to Snowflake, let me go with the other part, database. Okay, database. Actually, database is OLTP concept, guys. Okay, already you have experience means please adjust. Others who don't have, for them this knowledge will be very helpful. That is the reason. First of all, guys, we have database. Online and transaction process. Okay, what is the purpose of online transaction purpose? Is it will hold the real time data, right? So any banking sector, go with any kind of important sectors also, or normal sectors also, data will be stored into database only. It's a real time data. How real time means, if you go to your phone pay, the best example, go just open your phone pay and transfer some money to some person. Immediately check your balance. It is showing you what is the balance right now you have. How it is changing that amount immediately. Previously, to update that amount 1 week, 1 day, like that it used to take. Slowly now, immediately means real time data. Once you transfer 1 rupee, also they will receive the check balance, and they will receive the amount and they can check the amount what they have. You also can check the remaining balance. How fastly it is happening, how it is possible, first of all, right? This is happening because online transaction process is the real time data capture is happening. PhonePe also designed in that way. For example, I'm saying, so real time data always captured with the help of database only. Then another example. Okay, this is fine. OLAP. What is the purpose of OLAP analysis? Okay, what is the purpose means? OLAP is completely analysis purpose, right? So data warehouse is OLAP concept, means online analytical process. What is the purpose of analysis again? Already you have database, you are storing the data, that's fine, real time data. You can do directly there itself, right? Then what is the purpose? Actually, guys, observe here clearly. Now, world was changed. Okay, previously, if you go to general, very long back, 10 years back story. Okay, and there is no online much, right? We used to purchase from shops only. We used to go to shops, we used to purchase anything. It may be daily required things, or it may be clothing, or it may be anything. Very limited stock, limited things we used to do. But now the world was changed a lot. Online, lot of online is coming into the picture. Am I right? In that process, online is coming a lot, right? In that process, what is happening here? Analysis is very important for business. For example, previously, if you go to shop, they used to customers used to ask something based on the customer's regular requirement. They used to bring the products. Sometimes they used to bring the products. They used to introduce to the customers, this is a new product, try it, something like that. That kind of business used to happen. But now, nothing like that. Analysis is very important. Because of analysis only, we will understand what customer is liking. At the same time, because of analysis only, we can promote our product also. For example, Amazon is there. Okay, e-commerce site. You Amazon, you are purchasing so many products. Okay, even small, even food also you can order through the apps, right? So many things are happening through the Amazon. For example, so what is happening? First of all, you will order one product. Okay, you will check the review and you will order the product. Once you ordered, if the product is good, fine. If not, you will replace it. Right? Again, they will check and they will refund or replacement will happen. Once it is happened, you will throw the message like this is the product review. So based on the product customer's review, Amazon, if the product is good, they will increase the quantity of the same quantity they will increase. All right. If product is bad, they will improve the quality and they will come back with the quality. Okay. Okay, fine. Right? So they are coming with the quality, means they are rectifying their issues, product issues, and they're coming with the new changes of their product. So this all analysis. Again, if you do search in the Google something product, every day regularly get the offers related updates, and also you will get the updates on this part also. not only offers and this part like what is the new products new launch happen based on your search, new related products also they will offer you with the advertisements. It may be Facebook or it may be Instagram or it may be anything. It may be Google search advertisement, something. So how they are doing analysis means they are doing their business analysis, right? First they are finding the interest of customer. According to that customer requirement or interest, according to that they are giving more information about the products and they are attracting us to buy purchasers. How they are doing all this analysis. So every product right now in the market, analysis very important. So that analysis we can do with traditional means, yes we can do, but traditional process now no companies are following. They are completely depending on the cloud. In that, Snowflake is also one taking a important step or important part to do the analysis. So Snowflake is the one of the best technology right now in the market to do the analysis on top of the customer's client data to get more reports. Okay, so with that reports they can generate, they can understand about the business and they will improve. So finally, whatever the traditional methods we used previously, that all we are using in the cloud basis. Then you can ask, Sai Sri, in place of Snowflake, I can go with Redshift, BigQuery, or any Informatica, something like that. So many technologies. See, guys, really, if the technologies are up to the mark, why client is going with the Snowflake? Why client is paying the amount to Snowflake? Because the benefits of Snowflake and the remaining technologies are differences are there. So what they have, I mean, as a business person, they are getting more benefit, maybe cost based, performance, maintenance, all this they are finding the benefit in Snowflake. That is the reason Snowflake is right now a good in the good place in the market. Okay, almost Snowflake is very good place. Maximum companies are migrated to Snowflake because of the benefits. Okay, any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts? Everyone is clear. Uh, Shri Yogeshwar is not able to hear. Please rejoin. You're not. Okay, fine. So guys, this is the traditional. Okay, for example. If you go to traditional, very limited sources are going to be connected, okay? And semi-structured data handling, and to share the data with anyone also, it's not easy actually, right? So that all we are getting the solution with the Snowflake, because Snowflake can handle 100 plus sources, 100 plus sources can connect with the Snowflake, okay? And also it can handle the semi-structured data also. Data sharing concept also easy with the Snowflake. That is the reason Snowflake is the best comparing to the traditional. Not only data purpose, even if you want to maintain the scale up, I mean resource management, performance of the queries, resource related maintenance, all are comparing to the traditional. That all issues we resolved with the Snowflake. For example, previously we used to hear some word storage outage like this. I mean storage is not available, like there's some issues we used to hear in the tech software, but now in Snowflake we don't have issue because how much the space is required, that much it can expand. Snowflake itself can understand the required to store the data, and that much space it can increase. If the data is not required and we removed also, automatically it will adjust. So automatically it increase the space, it will decrease the space. So space management is not required. Out storage outage option only we don't want to go worry. Automatically Snowflake only will handle the maintenance. Even how many missions required to allocate to execute the queries, that is also Snowflake only can do. Even we have traditional software setup, hardware setup. For hardware, separate team have to allocate that all maintenance, languages, this all complexity is there, right? Snowflake only software, no hardware, small account, just account creation like a Gmail. That's it. So no maintenance. All Snowflake itself, maximum maintenance will do. Languages, it will cover SQL it will support. So completely it is supporting end-to-end process. So like this, it is a benefit. Okay, comparing to other technology, it is a benefit. Not only that, if previous technologies we have limited users, limited queries execution, this all limitations is there. But in Snowflake, we don't have unlimited users, unlimited roles, unlimited queries, even cost management, everything Snowflake will handle. Like this, benefits are added into the Snowflake. That is the reason people are running back of Snowflake and you are getting more opportunities in the market. Okay, that's the only reason why Snowflake is best with the comparing to other technology. Not only that, if you observe Snowflake and other technologies, AWS means from AWS only Redshift will support. BigQuery query means only for GCP it will support, right? Like this particular technology from particular cloud provider. But Snowflake is not like that. It can host on top of GCP, it can host on top of AWS, it can host on Azure. Any technology on top of that Snowflake can handle. So we don't have the specific means it is not dedicated from or I mean it's not belongs to any particular cloud provider. It can support three cloud providers independently. That is also a benefit. Okay. Not only that, cost wise, if you go to the cost, sorry. If you go to the cost sheet, we have editions. There is no versions, no, there is no upgrades. We no need to upgrade our machine, no version, no nothing like that. Just edition. This is the standard edition, very basic edition. So all the standard edition features added into enterprise and extra features added. Same way enterprise edition added to business and extra features. Same way extra business critical added and extra features. So like this completely based on your business which edition you want, you can choose it. You no need to worry on the upgrades. If anything additional features added also, automatically additions will add. You no need to do any extra work from you. That's the reason it's totally pay per use concept. Pay per use means how much you are using, that much only have to pay. Okay, how much pay data is there, that much only space will occupy. This is all totally pay per use concept. That is the reason Snowflake cost wise also benefit. Nobody have to worry about the cost management. Not only that, if you compare Redshift with Snowflake also, what is happening here? Redshift with Snowflake means Redshift have compute layer and storage layer bundled process, which is causing the performance issue. But Snowflake completely both are separate layers. That is the reason performance wise it's looking good. Workloads here it can handle. Okay, no separate work separation of workloads. Here it can handle separate workloads. Even semi structured data management. Here it can do. Even it is only suits for AWS, but it will suit for all that combination of cloud providers. It's totally pay-per-use concept. Like this, comparing to Redshift, Snowflake have a lot of benefits, guys. Not only Snowflake, if you go with Teradata also, here also bundled process, linked tightly only. Even compute and storage layer, both it linked tightly. But here, Snowflake, no, separate. Semi-structured data management. Here it's easy. It's a struggle. Backups, it's a problem in Teradata. Teradata is not straightforward. Snowflake have time travel concept directly. Like this, so many benefits. If I start sharing benefits, only benefits, lot of, I mean, we have to drag a lot. But generally, we comparing to Snowflake and Teradata or Redshift anything, Snowflake have more benefits, less maintenance, less cost also comparing to the other technologies. Even services also, it is giving a lot of services. Even warehouse, any updates happened also, automatically updates will add. We no need to do extra work from our side. That is the reason Snowflake is benefit right now in the market comparing to the other technologies, guys. So this also all we can keep aside. Really, Snowflake is not good technology. Why clients is paying a lot of money for Snowflake and why they are hiring us? That's a simple. Client will think about 100 ways. We will think only how was the market, jobs are there or not, easy to learn. We are getting good packages. 4 or 5 points you will think how many years I can stay. For maximum 5 to 6 points. But client is paying money for us even for empowerment at the same time for technology. How many ways, how many corners he will think. If client is bringing one technology to their company, they will try minimum 10 to 15 years they will try to keep the technology. So as per that, coming up 10 years, you no need to worry about a new technology. You can continue with the Snowflake. That guarantee I can give. I am only long time I'm staying here. I can retire with this technology only in from IT. So that is the reason I'm saying is you no need to worry about opportunities also. Lot of opportunities are there. Market is really good for the Snowflake. You no need to believe my words also. Check in LinkedIn Naukri. You will get more understanding about opportunities. Getting my point? You don't have a you have unmute access now. Nobody is saying yes or no. I thought you don't have.
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if I have to explain a lot and lot, I have so much things to say about Snowflake. It will be endless only because I'm Snowflake developer from long time. I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying with this technology without any mental pressure. I didn't face any pressure in Snowflake job till now. No pressure in Snowflake job. So that is the one point why I will suggest you to go with Snowflake technology. Okay, salaries wise or opportunities wise or work pressure wise, balancing the life, everything. I'm comfort. I'm the example for Snowflake learning people. So with that experience, as a lady, you can understand. I'm a girl. I'm a housewife. Still, I'm able to do the job. Plus, I'm able to give the training. So if my job is really cool, then only I can handle multiple tasks, right? Generally, people cannot do only job and house related work. So how I'm maintaining? I'm really example for everyone. Why Snowflake is best for everyone because it's easy to work also. Not only salary or not only opportunities, work-life balance also will be good. Okay, I'm balancing right, morning evening sessions with the job and with the household work. So that is a simple and live example, guys. I don't want to say more than this. Yeah, you can come with your questions. My voice is not good. Actually, this is not my voice. I don't know, some throat infection maybe. So adjust with this voice and ask me the doubts, whatever you have. It may be career related, training related, technical doubts, whatever it may be, you can ask.
Uh, Saisri, I have a question.
Tell me, tell me.
I have close to 14 years experience.
Okay,
So mostly I worked on Oracle SQL and PL SQL.
good. Okay,
I have zero knowledge on this data warehousing concept. I
cloud.
mean,
Okay, cloud and data
cloud
warehousing.
and data
Okay,
warehousing.
okay.
Will this be a right platform for me
And
to?
you know, Oracle means you know SQL. You are good with SQL. Simple.
Yes.
You are 100% suitable. A person who have career gap, they only coming into this technology means for you it's nothing. Just you are adding one more extra skill to you. It is 100% suitable to you.
No, because zero knowledge on the
Data warehousing.
data warehousing
See,
concepts.
data warehousing concept means olden days they used to ask you what is dimension table, what is fact tables, what is STDs, something like that. Old questions. In Snowflake, you won't face that kind of questions. Only Snowflake related questions only you will face. I am going to explain you end to end on that. Your profile easily you can move to Snowflake. Actually, it's not tough for
Okay.
your profile. And experience wise also, you no need to keep 14 years on Snowflake, right? We will keep minimum 3.5 years in Snowflake. Remaining all you can continue with your old experience. No problem. Ties to 14 years experience, I am keeping 3.5 relevant means is it possible means 100% possible. I tried with the 10 years experience profile, I tried with the 12 years. Like the different experience I
Because
tried, it works
we don't
both.
have the real-time experience. How do
I,
we
I'm
tackle
I'm
that?
say I will explain. Maximum with my training, you will feel comfort with Snowflake. Real time is maximum. What will be the change? Source will be changed, and also data will be changed. Concept will be anywhere same only now. Whatever am I doing in
Yeah.
my project, I'm explaining you. If you explain and if you feel it is real time, same thing you'll explain in the interviews.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. See, one thing, I'm not new to training, right? Generally, I'm saying how still how my students getting offers means you have to feel the topics yes you've done as a real time. They will ask you what is this topic, what is the syntax, what is the require. I mean, where you used that all maximum knowledge I will provide to you. You have to take that knowledge. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
13 one recently one student is there 13 lakhs package. She's completely with US related will be the right something managing the client some kind of job not IT. Okay, I don't exact the job name, but she will manage the IT clients, something other stuff she will do. It's completely non IT. She got 25 lakhs package. You are from
Okay.
technical background, why not? Obviously, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so no need to keep worry. Actually, you're doing good because pure Oracle PLSQL not good in the market. Good only, but growth is less as
Yeah,
a
I've tried it.
salary.
Yeah,
Mm.
not much calls.
Calls, yes. Salary wise also no growth, opportunity wise also no growth. But if you have Oracle, Snowflake will be easy for you.
Okay.
Okay, the recent batch also 16th batch I think so. Already Oracle people like you, they are. I mean that kind of profiles are there. Not only
Mm-hmm.
no long back also I deal like your profile. No problem.
Okay.
You have to trust it, trust and you have to learn. That's it.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah, tell
question.
me.
Amit here.
Uh,
Is
Yeah.
yes.
Python is also necessary for this? Python also.
No, no Python, no Python, no. Only SQL, pure SQL,
But in
PLSQL.
JDs, they
No.
are mentioning that Python is
They'll
also.
mention they'll mention Python, they'll mention Spark, they'll mention Databricks. Don't worry about all this. If you see Snowflake Developer heading, you can apply for the job. That's it. Why Python is not required means with Python we won't do any SQL, any Snowflake topics only. They are mentioning with JDs, if you observe, completely they are mixing with other technologies and they are doing. JDs will prepared by HRs, right? Chat GPT or any other old JDs they are following. JDs are not correct. Just you have to follow Snowflake developer opening. Your experience is relevant or not. Suppose they're asking 4 to 10 minutes, at least you should be three and a half. 10 means 11 or 12. Between this, you have experiences, you can apply. No need to think about JDs. JDs are completely not preparing properly by HR. Trust me, I am not working with Python from Snowflake when I started my career till now. I didn't touch any Python code only. I'm
Very
What
getting
is
good.
the
good
For what we
package.
require
difference
Python
between
actually?
Databricks and Snowflake? Databricks with Snowflake.
Databricks is related. Databricks is a platform which we can do AI jobs, ML jobs, I mean data science jobs, and data engineer jobs. Their SQL it will support, Python will support. Mainly Databricks who will prefer means data science people and big data people will prefer. For them it is perfect because for them Python is very very important. For us Snowflake is completely one technology. Dedicated topics are there, concepts are there. This database Snowflake is a completely data warehouse, but Databricks is not data warehouse. Data science people also will work. Combination.
Okay. What about Snowpark? Snowpark is also there now in
Snowpark is
Snowflake?
introduced in Snowflake. I will agree that. Starting when Snowflake team, I mean Snowflake company introduced, that time people started talking about Snowpark. Market is not there with Snowpark. If you want to learn about Snowpark, you have to think about Spark also. Spark, a big data technology that is Spark you have to think. If you know Spark, then you can touch the Snowpark. Actually, as per my understanding, there is no opening specifically on Snowpark. It's a time waste for you. Whatever I'm following is the right now trending what a trending combination. Snowpark is not required. If required, I will learn first of all. I will be in the first person. In projects, that's not coming. Why? Because Snowflake is not completely ready for to support the Python packages. Lot of things will happen background. I also tried Snowpark actually. How it is there, how it is working. It wants packages, package installation, Spark knowledge. Lot of things required. First of all, Snowflake is not completely ready to handle the Python libraries only. So still it's under development only. Projects are not working on Snow Park. They're trying to do, but they are not doing. If you
Okay.
learn
What
also,
about
you won't get project.
okay?
I
What
tell you,
about DBT for DBT?
DBT, so many combinations are there. Oh, one minute. I'll show you by writing. One people will get confused. Combination of Snowflake that opportunities are more. Snowflake, sorry, AWS with Snowflake, Azure with Snowflake. Azure means ADF guys, okay? Not writing. This combination you can see. This is pure Snowflake, means using Snowflake concepts only we will do transformations, everything. Okay. Another combination, this topics only, DBT. This combination projects also we have. What is between this and this means if you use DBT, transformations will happen DBT, but data storage, data source data, or it may be target data. Everything will store in the Snowflake only. Okay. If this is the combination of the project, Snowflake will be source will be in Snowflake. Target, I mean everything will be in the Snowflake itself. Even transformations also will perform in Snowflake only. If you use DBT, transformation will perform here. This is the advanced. This is a normal pipeline. If you add this, it will become advanced pipeline. That is the difference.
DBT is a individual tool or it will
It's a
integrate in
cloud.
Snowflake?
It is a cloud tool. On top of Snowflake, we will add this tool connection. We will build the connection between Snowflake and DBT. Only for
Okay.
transformation. DBT don't have compute layer, storage layer, nothing. Just it will do transformation. Only transformation.
Okay, but in Snowflake is also there is a DBT, no? What is the difference
Advanced.
between both?
Snowflake don't have Git repository. If you have huge project, okay, you are handling with a huge project, then this combination, I mean, these two combination, anything AWS or Azure are not a matter. Snowflake with DBT combination is the best. If it is huge project, if it is a normal project, only Snowflake people will choose. That is client decision now completely. We cannot say which combination they have. Based on the project's severity, they will choose.
Yeah, I have one question. Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
I have 15 years of experience as a .NET developer, and I have 3 years of experience on the cloud technologies. Okay. I have
Cloud means
clearly, yeah, for
cloud means
Azure Data Factory only. Okay.
ADF. Okay, okay.
ADF. And I
Mm,
have good experience with Microsoft SQL Server as well. Okay.
okay. Uh,
This Snowflake is suitable for me.
you said ADF and SQL Server, right? MySQL Server. So
Yes.
that combination already you have knowledge, no? For you also it
Yeah.
is suitable. It's not a different route for you. In whatever you done ADF transformation, very easily you can do in Snowflake and DBT. You
Oh,
are
thank you.
deviating your track, same warehouse concepts only, almost same transformation. You are deviating the track with the new technology. That's it. ADF, I heard so many people came with your profile, means they already have ADF knowledge and they're working in ADF, but they didn't feel much comfort zone and they change it to Snowflake. And my old students are there, same like your profile. ADF to Snowflake
Thanks.
transformation. Yeah.
Excuse me, Amit
Amit,
here.
yeah.
Yeah.
Amit.
So actually, my one friend who have experience on Oracle PLSQL
Mm,
since 7 years, and
mm,
then he moved to Snowflake as a developer. But
mm.
somehow, when he has searched the job only behalf of Oracle PLSQL and Snowflake, he getting very problem to get the job in Snowflake. So apart
Job in
from
Snowflake.
in Snowflake, but
Uh,
somehow very later, one offer he has only got after that 3 month of notice period. Very rarely he didn't get any counter offer. In nowadays,
pro-
I'm seeing, yeah.
I should check the way of he designed his resume.
Uh, because
Because
as a
resume.
PLSQL developer, he has,
Uh,
and only 8 to 9 years between he has experience, and he moved to the in the Snowflake. But somehow only these two skills base Snowflake and as this PLSQL, he didn't get the calls.
First
Uh,
of all, PLSQL with a Snowflake, you won't get calls. You want to go with this combination, then only you'll get calls. PLSQL and Snowflake, there's no combination only in math. He won't get that kind of. That's the reason I said I want to check the resume. He want to go at least one or two cloud providers, Snowflake, advanced means DBT. He already have the 9 years experience means at least DBT you have to add. So this combinations only he will get the job. May more of I mean opportunities calls. PLSQL having I mean in this one project he's working as a PLSQL developer. He is working as a Snowflake means he won't get calls. Expected one only. That is.
so either actually he has experience on Power BI as well. 2 years he has worked there.
Okay.
So he told me that due to that Power BI combination, he has got that offer, first offer what he has.
Okay. No, his profile should be redesigned again. It's not clear actually. Have to change something more.
So in that case, because the same profile is my also.
No problem.
What should be in your course? You will be cover the AWS and Azure both cloud as well.
Cloud means AWS technology I'm not covering. How AWS and Snowflake have to integrate, how AWS and Snowflake will load the data. That loading process we have to focus. Why we want to learn a complete AWS technology? We are not AWS developer or Azure developers, right? We not require all this stuff.
But in the whatever needed or integration or whatever the Snowflake as
Uh-huh.
a data engineer needed,
Yes.
that cloud services will you be provide us
This
knowledge?
all, I mean, whatever I worked, this all real-time combinations. Okay? This all real-time combination already I worked for many projects. That all I'm going to cover for you.
So in the ADF, you only cover the ADF tool, correct? But not in the
Ah,
development side, you will ADF cover ETL tool. This is the ETL tool, correct? Drag and
see,
drop.
this is ADF is for Snowflake developer. We don't do any transformations in ADF. Then why a Snowflake? If I say it in interviews, in ADF I done transformation is then why Snowflake? Why DBT? That is the next question. Okay, so ADF as a Snowflake developer I'll use for loading purpose only. That I will cover. That all
Okay.
real-time experience only I have. That all I am going to cover.
So extract and transform we will do by DBT.
DBT. If no DBT, then Snowflake.
Okay.
In your
So in
project, if you have DBT, then you will do with DBT. Suppose your project is not that much huge, big project, normal project,
hmm,
not mid levels of project, then Snowflake that is using. So it's the same transformation. You'll perform in Snowflake. Simple.
okay, in my current project,
Uh,
I have a Snowflake,
mm,
okay, and
mm.
Snowflake along with ETL is talent there, talent ETL.
Talent detail. Okay, okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
That combination you won't see more. I didn't see much opportunities on that talent combination. DBT only it will be benefit actually.
Okay.
DBT is a pure,
Me and
right?
ADF, ADF, you just extraction purpose you will let us know.
Loading only. Just we will load.
Loading,
Only
loading.
loading we will do. We won't do. We no need to do anything. Already we have transformations part, right? We won't do anything. Just loading.
Okay. So who have experience of more than 10 or 11 years of experience, what company will expect from this profile for Snowflake data engineering?
See, as a senior level, they will hire you. Point number one. Okay. Point number two, whatever the developer work will be there, same thing they will expect from you. Third thing, in emphasis, Oracle developer with 10 years experience, my seventh batch or eighth, ninth batch, I didn't remember, seventh or ninth, already having 10 plus experience, he tried. He's pure Oracle only. He tried. He got the opportunity with good package. So with that, with that, what will say with that, I mean, with all that experience, I'm saying Oracle profile. If you come also as a developer only with senior development position only, you'll settle on with Snowflake jobs. You no need to worry on that.
Okay. And as compared, actually, I was getting confused. Either I should be choose the Azure data engineering or a Snowflake. In between, I was
Better
confused.
say if you. I'm not asking you to come to my technology. Before going to Azure, think 100 times because Azure people only shifting to Snowflake now. You have to look for long term life also career, right? If you go to Azure, so many people are coming from Azure to Snowflake. If you have thought of Azure, Azure is a pure cloud provider. I'm talking about cloud data warehouse. Data warehouse technology will have more scope in the market, whereas the career part I'm saying compared to the cloud provider. And you don't need to trust me. Go with the LinkedIn anywhere you will get the people also. So many people Azure comparing to Azure, they're shifting to Snowflake. Now also I have one person in call right. Someone ADF they mentioned. Sorry, I don't know your name. Sorry. Just now he spoken with me na.
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah, Maki, it's me,
Ah,
Babaji.
Babaji only you already worked with ADF right? You only have
Yes.
to say why you are coming to Snowflake.
We don't have much scope on ADF. for these transformations and everything.
That's it. Not only scope opportunities, if you have opportunities also, very tough jobs, job life. That all one of my students shared with me. So that's the reason I'm not asking you to completely come to my Snowflake. Think, try it. And many times I'm going to ADF mainly, Azure.
Okay.
Many people, not only this person, so many people are there. Previous batches also, I
So
have
this is
ADF Azure
this is the
developers.
combination of Oracle PLSQL. Suppose
Snowflake,
I have
uh,
10 years of experience and 7 years I will show suppose PLSQL development and the rest the past 3 years I will show with the Snowflake DBT and ADF.
yes, because you will say PLSQL developer you worked for around 7 years or 6.5, something like that, you'll say. Remaining, you'll keep 1 year pure Snowflake, 1.5 year or 1.3, something like that. Remaining, you'll keep Snowflake with DBT. Like that, your profile will be designed. So, as a developer only, they will hire you. They won't think you are 10 years. They will think about your career complete flow, right? So, according to that only, they will give job opportunities also. You don't need to worry on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Why Snowflake means now completely businesses are working on the analysis part. Without reporting, no business can improve themselves. So if they want reporting, you want data. If you want data, someone have to work. Means cloud provider, cloud technologies. Snowflake, all the cloud provider technologies, Snowflake is good in the market. So Snowflake developers will have more opportunities. Simple logic. Cloud, right? Minimum 15 years, you no need to turn back. From this year, 2026 onwards, I'm saying 10 to 15 years, you no need to turn your back for another new technology. You can continue. Maybe for when I joined in Snowflake, only Snowflake. Then Azure AWS with Snowflake. Then Azure ADF with Snowflake. Then AWS Snowflake Azure with DBT. So like that add-ons happen. But my Snowflake is completely same technology from long time. So like that you'll add on. That's it. You won't change your track. That all benefits are there. Simple.
Sai Sri, can you
Yeah, ready.
please
Tell
explain
me.
what is this AWS Azure ADF to
Okay.
Snowflake? What is
Actually, we have many ways to load the data into Snowflake. Snowflake is one technology, it has storage that's fine. But data won't be available in Snowflake, right? We have to get from the business people. Business people, what will do? They will keep in the database generally, right?
okay?
But database to Snowflake. In place of that, now business people, how they are designing their pipeline means we will push the data into even Azure cloud storage system or AWS cloud storage system, cloud anything storage system. From
Okay.
AWS to Snowflake, we have to load the data. So this is the
Okay.
combination, what I'm trying to say.
So you mean database is the on-prem database here?
Which is, yes, right. Database is Oracle, anything on-prem, anything it's maybe on-prem only.
That comes to
Not only
AWS
that,
storage?
database or web applications. So many sources are there, right? All source
Okay.
systems data will be as the files they will load into any of these cloud providers storage
Just for
system.
storage, right?
Just for storage, they won't do anything. Once storage is completed, we will load into Snowflake. Snowflake will handle end to end cleaning, transformations, final transformations, give sharing with the reporting team. Everything Snowflake will do it.
Okay.
Even
And
DBT is there
and
also
how
Snowflake
does
only will do.
sharing with the reporting team works? It's outbound, right? From
Outbound, right? It outbound. We will give access as a role we will create and we will provide the access. There's one-time setup only.
okay.
Automatically, once the table is added, data is added, they will get the data flow to them. It's like a how we are connecting Azure with Snowflake connection with it. Like the Snowflake
Okay.
with the reporting team also, one connectivity will be there. That all
That is
Tableau people will
yeah,
take care.
they pull the data, right?
That's their responsibility. Snowflake is source for
We
them, right?
we actually work till we create that
Snowflake.
outbound. Okay.
Outbound. Data is ready for reporting, right? That data set still that's our responsibility. Once data is ready, Snowflake Tableau people will connect. They will also have connectors, right? In the Snowflake connector will be there, they will connect. That all their
Okay.
headache.
Okay.
Yeah.
And same in case of other three as well, right? Here,
Uh,
Azure
D, D,
ADF is
D,
also
D, no, DBT is not like that. Once the data is transformation is completed, DBT again will load back to Snowflake only. Again here reporting.
Okay.
This will be there generally. DBT is
It's
just
like
a
extra
transformation.
layer. Okay, fine.
It cannot do anything. Just
What about
transformation.
what about Azure ADF? Is
Azure
that
ADF,
also
this is also loading only.
that is also loading? Okay.
Load means Azure generally here we will use Snowpipe. Famous, I mean very popular. Yeah, yeah, Snowpipe we will use generally. If anyone say AWS, but if you say Azure ADF for loading purpose, we will use. This is
Okay.
also for loading.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Will we cover here the ETL concept as well and data warehousing concepts?
See, ETL concept, warehouse concept is a lot of things will come into the market. I will cover completely Snowflake concepts and DBT concepts. That's it.
But who
What
have
is your expectation? If you say one concept of data warehouse, let me explain according to that. What concept you're expecting as a data warehouse?
the whole concept of that the SDC, whatever the slow changing dimensions and
Streams concept is there. For that Snowflake, we won't use SCDs directly. We have stream concept. Stream. Snowflake have dedicated concept. Stream. Like that. So Snowflake already designed with all data warehouse combination of concepts, but it have its own concepts. Like warehouse concepts only, its own style is there. That we have to learn.
okay, so in this there is a known pattern Snowflake or stars schemas.
Snowflake already have its own schema, Snowflake schema. We no need, even I also no need to do any work for designing the schema in real-time projects. Already Snowflake schema is there. We don't need to do anything for that. Data backup, rollback people will say, right? Generally, other technologies, they'll say rollback all this. Snowflake already have time travel concept.
Okay.
Like that is dedicated concepts are there. If you learn that, enough for doing the job and interviews, both.
And
Okay.
during the interview, will they ask the older concepts which you were
No,
mentioning?
no. No, actually, older concepts they won't ask you, but very rarely. Now, from 3 years onwards, above only I'm observing. Nobody are asking. Before also, I didn't experience much actually. One or two persons who don't know Snowflake and they're taking interview, Snowflake interview, they know old data warehouse concept means that people may irritate you, but remaining people won't irritate. I cannot say, see, this is person, right? I cannot judge, but generally I'm saying. So that one or two persons may irritate. That's our based on our luck. Remaining all people will come straight forward to Snowflake only. One time I experienced it. That's it. Remaining all are Snowflake questions only. Because
Okay.
he don't know Snowflake, I think so. That's the reason. We cannot do anything for one or two persons, no? Because Informatica is there. That is also data warehouse.
Okay, while
I don't want.
while
Uh,
explaining, will you just match how it was before and how it's designed in Snowflake, something like that during your
if
question?
I mean, match means other technology.
No, no, like previous old data warehousing
No, I'm
example.
not going to match. I'm not going to match it because
Okay.
Snowflake is pure cloud. That is one. Old
Uh,
technologies everyone don't know, even including me. I came with big data. If big data also data warehouse concepts only. Am I right? That's also data warehouse technology only. If I
mhm.
started like that comparing, people won't learn properly. They'll get unnecessary and much confusion also. Snowflake already dedicatedly they created their own data warehouse concepts. I will explain
Okay.
them where you have to use, when it is better to use, which situations you have to think about the topic. Like that, based on your questions, like that, my discussion will be gone, will be go like that. Because
Okay.
if I start comparing, people will go into the wrong direction.
Yeah. Whoever want to
When
switch ADF developer, will it work this session?
ADF, pure ADF developer, you're saying
Yes. Yes.
ADF will be one part of Snowflake. If you learn Snowflake and ADF, you will get more priority to work with Snowflake. ADF will be also one part, but loading purpose only.
No, actually,
You
what I heard from other sessions, ADF is one of ETL tool, right? How we are working in
obviously, yes,
ETL
that's
Informatica, one of our
like
colleague. I mean, our friend also asked, right? ADF,
yes,
are you going to explain each and every
uh-huh.
transformation,
Concepts,
such kind of? Huh.
yes, right.
So, will it work this session, or you are
No, no, no.
purely focusing on Snowflake?
Purely Snowflake. ADF, why I'm focusing in my training means I worked continuously. I'm working from past 2 years with AWS with ADF with Snowflake pipelines. So Snowflake developer know how to work with ADF with Snowflake for loading purpose. That will be add-on benefit for their students' profile. That part only I'm going to handle. I'm not ADF developer, so I won't explain any transformation. That won't be
Oh,
benefit for Snowflake developers first of all.
okay.
That's the
Snowflake
reason.
means you are going to write a queries to take the data and
Ah,
loading, right?
every work I will do in Snowflake.
With the format of queries only.
SQL queries.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
As how I'm working in my real time, like that
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to explain. I'm going to work with you. Simple. Every day I'll use AWS account. Sorry, AWS and
Okay.
Snowflake account.
Uh-huh.
Everything, this all for my students. Currently, one batch is happening. See, like this,
Mm-hmm.
I'll create. I will talk a lot. I will discuss about the topic as usual. Procedures like this.
Okay.
And what about DBT?
Snowflake
What
will
you
support
will be covered in DBT?
DBT. Sorry, DBT.
In how much detailed you will cover the topic of DBT?
DBT, all the topics, whatever developer required to work in the project, all I'm going to cover. Okay. In
Okay,
real time, this all topics. I'm going to cover macros, models, seeds, snapshots, test cases. This only topics available in DBT. This all I'm going to cover.
and okay.
Hmm.
So is it only needed or a part of else other side also for DBT?
Nothing. Only this topics only available on the DBT account. If you want more, also I think no topics to explain you. See, all I'm covering. This topic's only there. These folders are not created by me. This is a DBT account by default it gave to us. These topics are supported. So this all I'm going to explain you how it is working, how to work with the topic. And DBT also pure SQL queries only. No Python, no Java, no Scala, nothing. Okay.
And
Yes. Tell me.
will you cover the architect Snowflake? Architect
Arch-
topic of Snowflake?
Architect means architecture layers of the Snowflake, something like that.
There is a Snowflake architect also, na?
Snowflake architecture is there. Architecture, you're saying, am I right? Design of
Ha,
the snowflake. That is the
yes.
basic part. I 100% I'll cover. Without that, you cannot move forward.
And
There's
how
a
many
theoretical.
and how many projects you will be cover?
Oh, I'm going to cover finally ADF with Snowflake with DBT. End to end, I'm going to cover AWS
Only
loading.
only one project you will be
One
cover.
project end to end flow I will cover, and I will share my real time screen also how the real time projects looks for you.
That will be helpful, Sai Sri, if
Because how much
we could get that information.
yeah,
Yeah.
how much I give training also people will have small doubt. Real time the screen will be
Real
there
time,
or
yeah.
not. These topics will be there or not. Really we are going in that. So that kind of will be there. The doubt everyone will have. So I will share my screen with real time screen. I'll share and I'll show you how the things will be there in real time. Okay. Completely I cannot share you, but important things all I will share it because the real time, right? You can understand my problem.
Yeah.
It will
So,
rescue my job.
yeah, I
Yeah,
have
it is a Snowflake. It is a ETL or a ELT process? Both support.
Extract, load, transform. ELT.
What about ETL?
ETL. Snowflake is ELT only. ETL means extract, transform, and then load, right?
Yeah.
DBT will come into that picture. It will transform and it will load to the Snowflake again.
Okay.
Technology, how
It will
it is
support.
working.
Okay.
Suppose if you see material, for example, it will extract the data, transform, and then it will load. That is ETL. So technologies wise, this ELT ETL will be changed.
It will support semi-structured and unstructured data also.
Semi-structured data, it will structured and semi-structured. Unstructured, it won't support.
Yeah. But in documentation, it's mentioning that unstructured is also supported.
Videos, audios, photos are, as per my experience, I didn't see any time it is supporting. It won't support. It will support this file format: XML, CSV, Parquet, ORC, Avro. JSON.
JSON.
This only Snowflake is showing us. Just casual I'm adding. Don't think about this all, okay? Just casually for showing the file formats I'm adding. See. These are the file formats, what you can see. Then how it is adding semi-structured data? Sorry, unstructured data, sorry. Photos, audios, videos. No.
But in storage layer, in a Snowflake documentation, storage layer, they're mentioning that the structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data.
Unstructured means what way they are saying, I don't know. To check, but this file formats only it is handling right now.
Okay, Sai, in case if the source
Maybe
have
they are
any,
talking, 1 minute. They're talking about PySpark also they're trying to implement, right? Maybe in that route they may are talking about unstructured data. But pure Snowflake, I mean, as per Snowflake developer, because they are using A and ML also, right? Maybe that is also one doubt I have. Maybe in this combination it may be supporting. They started applying A and ML also. Chances are there. I'm not a ML developer, but I know ML, I mean, the data science people can handle unstructured data. But this is the case, I think so, as per the document. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Sai
Sorry.
Sri.
Yeah, someone.
How good enough? I mean, SQL knowledge should have if anybody wanted to start as a Snowflake developer, a person who is coming
Intermediate.
from the DBA background, and
Intermediate.
I mean, intermediate level or
Hmm.
advanced level of SQL knowledge should have to start with the Snowflake career.
Frankly, I'm speaking here for doing the job, beginner level also not a problem because now internet is in our hands, right? That is the truth. So beginner also no problem. But for the cracking the interviews, that is
Okay.
the place where you get the advanced, benefit of learning SQL. Because the
SQL.
internet you cannot search in a interview time, you cannot search in internet, right? We have to
Right.
depend on our knowledge. There you
Okay.
have to miss how much knowledge is required to crack the SQL questions in interview. That much knowledge you want. Minimum intermediate knowledge.
Intermediate knowledge,
Uh,
not up to the core of the advanced, like because
Pro, I am not expecting. Pro is not required. But
okay.
interviews, with whatever the question they're asking, you should be able to answer them at least.
Because in the interview also, I mean, they give only the scenario oriented, right now, because earlier
That
days, I mean, they're just only directly asking the SQL questions by referring the Google. Nowadays not like that, right? Through video call, they're asking all the real-time scenarios, and they are giving the notebook of writing the SQLs and right, I mean, so that is the
no,
reason I'm asking.
no. After here, I want to correct. I don't know about other technologies interviews. My technology interview, I'm saying they won't do that much work. They will ask you questions. I'll agree. They will give small 4 or 5 lines table, and they will ask you, can you do joins? How many ones will repeat? I mean, inner join means how many records. Outer join means how many records. This is the one question. Generally, I'm saying. Or list aggregation related questions like that. They will ask you this much SQL editor. They won't ask you to open that much, and they won't ask you. I didn't see any situation like that till now for my
Because
students
people
also.
usually get stuck with the stored procedures, right? I mean, people.
That those procedures they won't ask you to write like that.
And in the scenario, I mean, they wanted to, yeah, they wanted to see the how exactly you are good in the stored procedures, right? Because stored
No,
procedures plays a major role in the Snowflake, right? Which I
no,
have.
no, 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 no.
Hmm?
Syntax is enough. If you have syntax knowledge, then
Okay.
literally I also worked with pure Snowflake for few years. DBT in my career from past 2.5 years ago, I think so. 2.5 to 3 years only I got into DBT combination. Before that, I'm pure a Snowflake developer only. That time also I
Okay.
faced interviews. That much deep level, writing lengthy scripts in interview, nothing. Maximum what they asked me, syntax of store prop. Simple. In that syntax also small queries I used to write. Syntax I used to write, but execution query will be just 1 or 2 lines I used to write. That much tough nobody asked me till now. Not only me, even my students also didn't experience at that. SQL queries also they won't ask you big queries to write. Very small logically how you are thinking. Logically
Okay.
how you are. Suppose for example, one example, it's a simple example. I mean what I remember that. This is one,
Okay.
for example, and one is A, 2, P, and 3, something like this. This kind of questions. So can you say 1 is equal to M comma A? This kind of questions also they asked me. Basic question na sequence.
Mhm.
This kind of questions I faced in interview.
Mhm.
I'm not saying everyone will face same like this, but generally
Mhm.
I'm saying. So
Mhm.
like this sequel will we can expect intermediate sequel. Every
Okay.
day, minimum 10 interview questions, internet only, SQL questions will be there. SQL interview questions. Pure SQL, no
Mhm.
PL no SQL, no need to
Mhm.
refer all this, just SQL interview questions. Minimum 10
Mhm.
questions you are reading and you are able to put the answer in
Mhm.
your book. Like that, every
Mhm.
day 10 questions if you do means, after completing my course, you don't need to practice SQL. 10
Okay.
minimum per month, we are going 22 classes, let us say, Saturday, Sunday, I'm removing means
Mhm.
22,
Mhm.
right? 22 or 24.
Mhm.
24 into 10 every day, 5 days per week.
Mhm.
4, 5 or 20 classes, let me take. 20, means how many? 200 questions per month. 2 months, 400 questions. Maximum you will be pro in SQL. That's a very easy to learn through SQL. One day we cannot learn everything, na? It won't create
Right.
interest also. So this is
Okay.
a simple strategy students have to maintain.
Because my question is here, people who are, I am observing that, I mean, people are coming from
Questions.
12 years of experience, 14
Yes,
years of
yes.
experience. Even I
Yes.
do have around 15 years of experience, because
Okay.
based on the experience, the questions will be posed, right?
No.
Right. Like
No.
depends on the scenarios, also changes. If the candidate is having a less amount of experience, then the pattern will be changed, the interview pattern. The one another, I mean, colleague, I mean, he was asking that, I mean,
Mm.
Snowflake architect, he was not meant to the Snowflake architecture, he was asking for the Snowflake architect role.
That's the reason. Yeah, I also was stuck
Yeah,
there only. Architect is
yeah.
the position, architect
Architect
is
is the
the
position,
topic.
he was about to ask
Ah,
that actually, but
ah.
you diverted into the Snowflake architecture.
Okay, okay.
Not, he was exactly not meant. If I am
Oh,
right, I mean,
yeah,
if
maybe.
that colleague is listening to
I
my
also,
question. Yeah, yeah.
I also
Yes,
stuck
yes.
there only.
I
Okay.
was asking for the position which of
Ah,
Snowflake
Snowflake is
architect.
architect role.
different, not
Yeah.
architect of that like
Okay,
Oracle concept of architect like this.
okay.
Snowflake, I was
Um,
asking the admin part of and
architect
architect
role.
part of the Snowflake
So, see, we have admin role,
Mhm.
and architect part.
developer role,
Mhm.
Uh,
and architect role. Okay. First
yeah.
suggestion is don't choose admin. Why
Uh,
SaiSri? Straightforward. Why you generally it will be helpful for everyone. Why you no need to choose? Why you are saying directly no need to choose admin means? My
Mhm.
observation in IT. Every time I observe all the projects how they are dealing. Every admin is coming from the client side. Okay, who is client for us? I before lockdown or before 10 years story is different. Everyone, admin, developer, even support, everything from vendors they used to hire. But now if you observe clients, admin team maximum client person only. Means UK project means from UK, US means US, their own company people. Okay. So as a vendors, we are going from TCS or Wipro or whatever it may be, we are vendors to them, right? So in that case, they are not giving opportunities as admin. So admin career is very less opportunity, less scope for the Snowflake part. That's the reason I don't ask students to go with that direction. It won't grow your career. Second thing, okay? Third thing, developer, let us leave it. Why I won't ask if you have experience also? Why I don't suggest anyone to go directly with architect? How much trainer guided you also? How much training you took from us also? You are going from pro and I mean you done a lot of POCs and you done also. Still, without development experience, real time minimum 2 to 3 years, you are directly jumping in architecture means you cannot handle the project. So developer experience, hands-on experience is always best step before going to architect position. And you'll have more opportunities also. And you don't have much bottleneck situations. First, you will be relaxed with the technology. You'll experience, you'll enjoy the technology. Then 1 or 2 years after exploration, you are free, you are ready. Then you can try for architect. Okay, directly architect is not right suggestion from my side. I won't suggest anyone. That's the reason I don't. I won't ask any. I don't give training like that direction. I'll focus everyone as a developer only. The developer experience, own experience gives more learning process. Amit, I cleared your question.
Yes, yes, clear.
Yeah.
I'm agree.
And I will agree. See, you have more experience, 16 years experience, 19 years experience. I worked with 20 years experience colleague. He has 20 years. He's working as a Snowflake developer along with me. So that is the power. Developer, if you settle down properly, you can lead any position. Directly, architect is not good. Admin is 100% wrong position. For Indians, for we are working as a vendor, with wrong. If you are directly joining in the product-based company, directly that company is directly hiring you as admin with for their own product, that's a different case. But learning curve will be very less. Developer only will learn more, developer only will learn more. Earning and learning both the developer role only. That is the reason. Clear?
Got it. Yeah.
Abdul,
Thank
yeah,
you for
yeah.
clarification.
Some question SQL also you mentioned, na? SQL
Yeah,
now
yeah.
so many
Yeah.
experience, sorry, lot of experience is there. Then this intermediate questions are enough means you have experience, but the person who is asking the question, he may not write. So
Right.
he will take as his own, minimum experience only he will expect from you because your career is breaked into 3 pieces. Your 2 pieces, old experience and new. New experience is relevant. Hiring who is picking your interview, sorry, your resume is HR. HR will look at overall. Who is taking your interview? He is a technical person. He will look at what is it, relevant experience. In that gap, you won't get too much tough questions. As per my understanding, no, I didn't see much difference. Beginner level of Snowflake developer position in my career. After getting the seniority, I didn't see much SQL problem. I'm also not pro in SQL. Intermediate to I can manage my work and interviews. That much knowledge I have. Simple.
Okay. Got it.
I'm able to handle
What is
all.
is
Ravi, tell me.
yeah is Snowflake SQL syntax different from the other SQL
No.
like Oracle or
If you know normal SQL, same syntaxes, 95%
syntax?
it will work. 95%. I didn't see much a problem with SQL only. You Google it any SQL, that query will work here.
Okay, yeah.
Normal SQL, if you Google it and same query if you apply here, maximum 95% it will work. The 5% very, very rare cases you'll face. Special syntax is not there. My point is.
Okay.
Are we moving ahead with the 120-day trailer account or a monthly based
That is not stable. Some days they are showing, some days they are not showing. If you observe,
Okay.
so I also used that for one batch. I used next batch when I tried it is disabled. They'll keep
Okay.
enabling and they're disabling. That's the reason I'm going with the.
That 1 month trial, I mean, once it gets expired, shall we move on to the another account with the different username or with the same email ID account
Same
multiple
user,
times? Okay.
not required. Same username, same password, same mail ID, same mail
Okay.
ID. So you no need to do any changes. Just you will get
Okay.
new account, new link. That's it.
That's it. Okay, fine.
My
We
all
can get
accounts have
extended.
same password. Yeah, my one account I'm using from past 5 years. Same mail
Okay,
ID.
fine. Okay, fine.
For
Because
other
Azure
AWS,
have
it
only
won't work.
30 days of
Ah,
trial period. Azure
yes,
30 days.
AWS also.
Yeah.
DBT lifelong. DBT one time you'll create. Many times, I mean, as a solo developer, multiple times you can use it.
Okay.
Team,
DBT,
team,
there is no expiration for a DBT account.
lifelong free. Lifelong free.
Lifelong free. I mean, we can
I
use it.
created, yes, I created one account. For every batch, I'm using same account only. I'm creating new projects there. Simple.
Perfect.
Projects I'm creating. So I didn't say solo developer. Group people cannot log in. Like the Snowflake multiple users, how we have. Like that multiple users, we cannot do it with free trial. Solo developer.
Okay.
That is
That
only.
$400 of amount, is it enough, right? I mean, to practice until
One.
we get one.
30 days is enough. You won't complete that $400 within 30 days.
Okay, fine.
But expiry will happen because $400 we have still also because of 30 days free trial time limit, it will happen. No problem. Again, new account will create. But dollars won't complete that much fastly.
Okay.
I'm giving training, right? Every day I will execute more than students. I only will use account. One account for 2 batches I'm using. Still my credits are there.
And how exactly are you going to provide the day-to-day along with the sessions? I mean, assignments and all. How can we expect that assignments to get much hands-on experience, like to get our hands dirty? Until we get our hands dirty, I mean, we cannot move forward, right?
Yeah, obviously. See, here all are working people, first of all.
Yeah.
Okay. So I cannot, if I give homework also, I don't know how much time they will, I mean, nobody, maximum, I tried all the combination of cases also. People are not showing much interest. So what is my requirement from students and what I am expecting from students is whatever the topic I'm sharing, if you want, I will share you sample data sets, files, everything. Topic will be same. You have to practice the topic all on the all corners, what I explained on the always. You will also have some combinations of doubts, right? All this kind of doubts, if you practice and if you come, I will clarify. That practice should be like today one topic time travel is completed, for example. So I will do my PDF document. If any extra thing you want, all the help I will do document wise. With that knowledge, concept knowledge, students have to practice in their Snowflake account. That is
Trial account.
expectation. Account trial account. I can give some questions that no, I tried also. This experienced people are not getting time, proper time for practice. Attending the class only, it's very tough for them. If I keep pressure, they won't they won't come back only. That's the reason what I'm saying is how I explain the class. Same class, try to do by yourself.
Okay.
If you want data sets, I will provide. You can download from internet also, that's not a problem. But exploration of the topic I'm expecting from the student. That's it.
This
In
live
real,
recordings will be a lifetime.
lifetime they will provide documents. They will provide every day to day documents. I will add anyway. Team will add recording. Everything will be regular basis only. Monday to Friday classes will be there. Any holidays we got too much. I feel like I'm getting more gap. I mean, we have lack. Some days we are not taking for at least 3 to 4 holidays. I have in your batch means in that situation I'll take Saturday class. Very rarely. No holidays means no classes. Fridays to maximum Friday, Monday to Friday. Situation basis that. October I got the Diwali and Dasra holidays, right? For that batch I took weekend classes, 2 or 3 like that. Depends on the situation.
Excellent.
Yeah. Because I experienced people, I should not pressure them. First of all. Everyone is families also, right? They're not students. That's the reason. Why I'm giving Saturday, Sunday holiday? I am ready to take class. I have that much energy. I'm always ready to take Sunday also. But I am expecting students at least 5 days who is not properly keeping the attention on Snowflake training. The 2 days if they keep, that will be helpful for their career mainly.
It's completely comprehensive scenario oriented training only, right? Because not with earlier days, I mean, the training means only the topics they will explain and they move off. But now the situation pattern is completely changed, right? I mean, we need more relevant live experimental explanation is required.
Yes.
Yeah.
What first of all, I'm not initially. I mean, before my IT career, I'm not trainer. First of all, from the day one of my training life, whatever I am experiencing in real time, those topics, those examples, those discussions, I'll bring in the training.
Cool.
So all experiments I'm doing in my real time. That even DBT also I didn't learn anywhere. I don't know. I don't have any DBT trainers for myself. ADF also I don't have. I explored everything. I done a lot of experiments on my project that I am exploring here. But my experiments will take months time, right? For your training, it's taking days. I mean, I'm saving your time. Simple. You can also do like me, not a problem. But I got early opportunities. Now it's already peak time. You cannot do experiments like me. When I joined, there is no Snowflake developers, one or two people. I don't, if I search in LinkedIn or Google, Snowflake developers means no images used to come.
Yeah.
That day I started my career.
Okay.
Now if you search Snowflake, you will get your Snowflake documents, all this. I came in from that background. Snowflake means all are snow related mountains like that. That day I started my journey, na. So everything experiment me. I am only trainer for myself. So I am
Currently, which,
exploring.
okay, got
Actually,
it. I mean, currently you are into the which domain, I mean, which functional project you are doing currently?
Insurance
Insurance.
B2B business. Maximum in Snowflake you'll get opportunity with B2B.
B2B.
B2B maximum.
Maximum.
All are costly clients only. US, UK, second shift you will get work from home chances are there. I don't keep again, don't say as I'll say everyone I need a work from home. One lady recently got work from home. Luck that is I cannot say. Hybrid you will get work from home, you will get B2B businesses. Maximum UK, US, like this out I mean another countries projects only you will get. Because of that only you'll have good packages and billing.
Okay.
And you won't be bench period also you won't, if you are on the bench also in a situation, immediately you can crack the job in other companies in Snowflake profile. That all benefits only. Layoffs, if you observe layoffs, anybody, layoffs are there in ITB. I don't want to hide it. It's everyone non-secret on, right? Layoffs are there. Not only TCS, so many companies. But if you observe, the layoffs are not related to Snowflake developer position.
Okay.
That's all benefits are there. Complete. Finally, guys, this is all your personal efforts only. I'm just trainer. You have to do your own hard work a bit, not completely. As a subject, I can do, but remaining part you have to do. You have to
Along
spend
with the
some time.
Snowflake development position, like because since I have come from a Teradata background, Teradata with the combination of Teradata development is also there, and Teradata DBA exclusive position was there. But soon after completion of your pipelining, completion of your project, I mean, is there any like a profile like Teradata support project, support people are there? Like in a similar fashion, can we expect the same kind of a role in Snowflake as well? Soon after completion of the project, like a Snowflake production
support.
Yeah,
Production,
Snowflake production.
No, but I mean, Snowflake developers only will get support. Snowflake support jobs won't be there in market. What we will do, Snowflake support, nothing to do. We have to develop anything. If any issue comes, generally companies, client will have support team. They will share the mail with us. Hey, this pipeline is failed or this Snowflake job is failed. We have to look in, we have to do development. Like that it will be there.
Because I'm asking this question, in Teradata, we have a Teradata developer, Teradata production support people, Teradata DB people, Teradata architect is also there. Like that, I mean, I'm asking.
Production support means even I also worked there. Every week rotational will be there. I'm working as a developer only, but any production failure means that week, any failure, 1 week, rotational wise, I used to get 1 week support work. Support means nothing but any failure happen means I have to look into the issue. If anything I want to do, I have to resolve from my side. I have to check with the team. Like the teamwork also we will do. That is the production support in Snowflake. Not
So you
dedicated
mean to
job
say there
won't
is
be
no
there.
exclusive profile for
Ah, no,
Snowflake?
no.
No,
Completely
exclusive.
production support job. So I didn't here also till now. Maybe in
Okay,
future you can expect because of more projects.
more projects. Yes, yes,
But
yes.
development continuously will happen. Now today 2 years completed one project, for example. Still something will be there to enhancement. So it's an endless work now. New data will come, new sources will come. Endless job for us, no end for us.
Exactly.
Maybe chances are there in future. Now it's not there. No support like that.
Got it.
Teradata, you said if you are Teradata to Snowflake migrations are happening. Previously, I
Yeah,
heard about that
yeah. My
pipeline.
current project NBCU, which I was
Oh.
working earlier.
Mm.
I think you might have heard NBCU.
I heard about that. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's a
I
news
heard.
channel. It is completely migrated from Teradata to
Snowflake.
Snowflake Cloud, but that was
Like
completely acquired by the onshore team. That was not given to the offshore
like that.
team.
Yeah, yeah. So like this combination projects in market, it is there. There your profile looks more attractive because you know Teradata, you know Snowflake.
Yeah.
You will get more importance for your profile.
Okay.
Others, you will have your importance. But person to person, profile to profile, I'm giving the importance. That's it. So don't think others are not much. Okay. Everyone have their. I said the non-IT lady got 25 lakhs package. Literally, that's not 4 years experience. I'm also a bit like happy, but she within very less time she got opportunity. Her hard work totally. I supported, I'll agree, but her hard work is also important now. Support I can give. She
Yeah.
have to
That
practice. So
makes.
that 4 years not a small deal. Now 10 years person also have working with 12 lakh package. See how different it is. 10 years, how long term he is working with low package. The cases I'm seeing lot of 10 years, 6 lakh package people also there in market. Totally upgrade only. How we are upgrading, how we are keeping patience. Some people will take training after 2 months, they will wind up. They will say, okay, this all I cannot do, and they will go with the old technology. 1 more month, if they do hard work, they'll get opportunity. That is completely person have to take the decision. You should be strong, guys, finally.
Yeah, it's an individual choice and individual effort.
Obviously. Or else if I also got DBT, at that time I don't know DBT. If I say, hey, I don't know DBT and I shifted to another job, I used to miss this fantastic topic only. Real-time learning I got na. Without training in real-time job, I learned in many things. So we should not give end for that. New things coming means we have to accept. We'll learn more. I mean, my experience that is.
Okay.
Hi, Sai Sri.
Hi,
So,
Arvind.
yeah, I have 7+ years of experience in QA actually.
I got
Okay,
your message.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah, in Python automation I was doing actually. Okay, so actually, I like it is a basic question actually. I
yeah.
don't know like what you people develop. Like in my case, they will be developing the UI, UI and all. Okay, we test those. Okay, like in your environment, like what you people be developing.
We will take your data. Okay, you are doing shopping right generally. Like
Yeah.
many people will do. When you are doing
Yes.
shopping, I'll get all the customers' data from the application. That we will take. We will do. I mean, like that raw we won't take. We will do something on top of it, cleaning all this. Okay. Once we done, we will make one meaningful data set. On the customer will ask you this product how many people purchased it, this product how many people revert, I mean, sent back, how many people replacement happened. That all you, by seeing the data set, you cannot say generally. So
Okay.
graph wise only you'll expect. So to make that graph, we will create the SQL queries. The final SQL query data set we will provide to reporting team. That reporting team will make beautiful graphs for the client. Then by seeing graphs, client will will understand where business is, what he have to do on his business. That's the simple story. What will happen?
Okay, we simply take the data and we
Not
clean it.
simply, Arvind. It's not simple. Simple
Okay,
story
okay.
I said, lot of things like that. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, completely we will do a lot of work because
yeah.
it's a going on process. He will bring new products, new things in like so much things will happen business wise.
Oh,
It's
okay, okay.
a never ending process. If clients are ending the project with the business also almost end. They're closing the business.
Yeah, okay.
Sai Sri,
I
Sai Sri, you are saying that we are loading the data to the Snowflake, right? In
Yeah.
between, we are doing any cleansing
No.
or
We won't do any transformations, any cleanup, nothing actually. We will load the data. After data is entered into the Snowflake only, we will do all the process.
in Snowflake only, we are doing everything,
Inside
like
of Snowflake,
cleansing
yeah.
and everything. Yeah.
Cleansing, auditing, transformation, everything.
Okay, okay.
And
Okay,
Arvind, you
thanks.
asked me one more question. How much time I need to spend daily? Depends
yeah.
on your understanding. If you some topics you may spend half an hour. Some topics 1 hour also you have to sit. First of all, A plus B. For example, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. We are saying because you know what is 1 plus 2. How to count? You know. That is the reason you are saying 3. Like the detailedly you have to understand how the concept is working, what is the ways we can, I mean, how many ways we can use that concept. In this situation, I have to use the concept. What is the syntax of the concept? Like this, you have to open the concept and do all the kind of R&D, which you have to remember the concept very clearly. Till that time, you have to practice. So if you don't know, I will also give tips. Sir. Come with the
Mm-hmm.
doubt. I'll give tips based on your situation. Okay. I should know right how you are thinking. Knowledge on this, you have zero knowledge means from day one. Again, same answer I'm repeating. 10 interview questions. Read the question,
Mm-hmm.
try to write the answer. It may be goes wrong, but your brain will think. Later, once you are writing, check your answer. Why you are unable to go through that kind of logic? Where you are missing? How? Why you are not thinking? Like that every day, if you do analysis, every day 10 questions more than enough.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Sai Sri.
Again, everyone who is having doubts, who is not having confidence, come to me. I will help you how to learn also. Okay? Person to person mindset will be different. I have to understand that way because everyone are unique persons here, guys. So I cannot compare with anyone. We have to understand what we have to do extra comparing to others or not comparing to others. How much quality I'm expecting. Every topic you have to maintain the quality. That's it. Suppose I will say for example interview question. Uh, I want the data which is changed on the November 27th date. As a Snowflake developer, I know how much easy to do because I use this time travel concept, statement concept, time travel statement ID is there, query ID is there. I'll bring the data. It's not a big deal for me. For you, it's a big deal right now because you don't know concept. So if you understand the concept, it's a small part for you. It's all learning process. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
I hope done from my side, guys. Maximum I try to answer you. You, Karthik, you can take from here. Hope everyone have clarity. I'm handovering to Karthik. Yeah, Ravi. Any question? Okay, fine. Yeah, Karthik, are you there?
Yes, Aishwarya, I'm available.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
I'm
can
waiting
hand
for your
over
call
from
actually.
here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So, hi everyone, this is Karthik again. So, as I said, you at just a second, please. Just a second, please. Sorry for that. Just a second, I'll share my screen. Yeah, so here you can see my screen. Yeah, So this is the page, like I said, you like where you can see the complete updates about the Snowflake course and everything. I can see many enrolled students here already. Okay, so I hope like you're already going through the previous batch recordings right now. Okay, till now, like how many classes you have completed. Please keep doing that. So this weekend also you can utilize the things, because the next section will be on Monday. So the people whoever is enrolling today, okay, so the people whoever is enrolling today for both morning and evening batches, you will be getting a discount of 10% today. That means the course price is 14,999. You will get this course for just 13,400 rupees only today, whoever going to enroll. This is what the special discount available from RajCloud Technologies for attending today's demo session. So I hope like whoever haven't enrolled yet, so please complete your registration today and you can start doing the Oracle SQL classes as well. So let me share you the Oracle content also. Okay, so we have a complimentary course here, that is Oracle SQL. So the people whoever want to learn this Snowflake, for sure you need to have Oracle knowledge. So that is the reason why. So we are providing the Oracle from our end itself. It is for completely free of cost. So whoever enrolls for the Snowflake, you will get these Oracle SQL classes as well. It will be having like around 10 videos, 15 hours of content will be given to you. So if you can complete these Oracle classes this Saturday and Sunday, from Monday you can start the classes. From Monday you can start the classes for Snowflake directly. Got it? Yes. So if you people having any doubts regarding the registrations, regarding the like a job assistance or regarding the any technical content, please unmute yourself and ask us or text us in the chat box so that like we can help you more. And whoever haven't shared your name and contact number yet, please share your name and contact number here so that like we will be adding you to the WhatsApp group as well, and we'll share the today's session recording also. You'll get today's session recording also by tomorrow morning. You'll get it. And coming to these jobs, as I said you right, there is some job opportunities are there. Okay, so this jobs page, I just like explain you about this jobs page now. Okay, we have separately designed a job listings page in our RajCloud Technologies website. Okay, so here see we find out a problem with all our students, that is the people are learning, okay, the people are learning well, they're practicing well. Okay, so when coming to job applying, okay, so if the job role is directly related to Snowflake, like a Snowflake developer, Snowflake DBT developer, Snowflake consultant, Snowflake associate, they are able to apply for the jobs. Okay, so if the job roles are bit complicated, they are unable to understand the things, they are unable to see the job roles properly. Okay, so if someone is having like this Snowflake developer, yeah, they are going for it and they are applying directly. Okay, if it is like just only the data engineering, okay, if the job role is for Snowflake data engineering, the people are getting confused and they are unable to understand the things actually. That is the reason why what we are doing to solve this is, on behalf of you, we will be looking after all these like platforms, like whatever we have, like Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and many other things. We will be searching the opportunities for you and we will be putting in this page. Okay, we will be putting in this page. Okay, so here you can find out the opportunities related to all these courses. Okay, we will work similar to all these courses. So what we are going to do here is, so we are going to we are going to provide the complete opportunities here itself in this page. You can just filter. Okay, if you are from AI and ML, you can just click on this and you can apply for these AI and ML opportunities. Okay, if you are from cybersecurity, you can just click on the cybersecurity and you can access the things and you can go for it. In the same way, so you can select the Snowflake as well and you can go for it. The page is still under development, so I'm just like showing you here. Even anyone can access this page right now, but like once the page is fully developed, this page will be available for only the enrolled candidates of RajCloud Technologies. Only for you people this page will be there and you can apply for the jobs like without any hesitation, like without any confusion. First of all, okay, you can go for it. This is how like we are planning to help you and all. So if still having anyone having any doubts, please let me know, I can help you more. I hope like everyone have shared your name and contact number here. Okay, so if you haven't shared, drop it right now. So you can connect us on this number 8105296858. Okay. So you can just contact us on this number from Monday to Sunday. All days we will be available. All days we will be available from morning 8 a.m. to night 11:30 p.m. we will be available. So if you have any doubt, any assistance, anything, if you want to discuss with us, you can give us a call on this number anytime. Okay. So I'm proud to say that like from last 4.5 years, we never closed RajCloud Technologies in a single day also. Complete 365 days we'll be working on. Okay. Someone will be there in the office and will reply you for sure. Me, my team, or say our CEO, Raj sir, someone will be there for sure in the office and will pick up your call, will reply your chats, everything we do. Complete 365 days will be available like on these numbers from morning 8 a.m. to night 11:30 p.m. In the weekends, like the timings may differ like from 9:30 to like evening 10 p.m. Okay, but surely like we'll be helping you throughout the day. So the complete working hours like will be available for you for any assistance, any requirement. Okay, so any doubts, you can just connect us on this number directly. I hope like everyone had a great session today. I can see like many people have clarified your doubts regarding your career, regarding the Snowflake and the cloud platforms as well. So hope this session is like more informative for you. Okay. So thanks for joining session today. And if you still have any questions, you can post us or else like you can wind up the session, please. Yeah. As I can see, no questions asked here. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you, Bhavaj.